throbbing pain. Pain that beats again and again. I have a throbbing headache. Tenderness. Pain when you touch a body part. My shoulder hurts when I touch it. Ache. A slow pain that stays for a long time. I have an ache in my stomach. Stabbing pain. Pain that feels like a knife is poking you. I have a stabbing pain in my stomach. Burning pain. Pain that feels hot, like fire. I feel a burning pain in my throat. Cramping pain. Pain that squeezes your muscles. I have cramping pain in my stomach. Gnawing pain. Pain that keeps bothering you all the time. I feel a gnawing pain in my stomach. Dull pain. A mild pain that is not very strong. I have a dull pain in my lower stomach. Shooting pain. Pain that moves very quickly through your body. I feel a shooting pain in my leg. Radiating pain. Pain that starts in one place and spreads to another place. The pain starts in my back and spreads to my chest. Colicky pain. Pain that comes and goes again and again. I have colicky pain in my stomach. Diffuse pain. Pain that is spread over a large area. I feel diffuse pain across my stomach. Localized pain. Pain in one small area. I have localized pain on the right side of my leg. Deep pain. Pain that feels like it is inside the body. I feel deep pain in my chest. Persistent pain. Pain that does not stop. I have persistent pain in my back. Tingling pain. Pain with a pins and needles feeling. I feel tingling pain in my hands. Squeezing pain. Pain that feels like something is pressing very hard. I have a squeezing pain in my chest. Electric shock pain. Pain that feels like a small electric shock. I get electric shock pain in my leg. Sharp pain. A strong pain that comes suddenly. I felt a sharp pain in my chest. Pressure. Feeling that something is pushing inside your body. I feel pressure in my chest. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.